Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flames effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna add flame effect on a VivaVideo app, you can add the video that you want to edit, and after this, you can click on the clip or on the video, and now you can click on the all effect. Click on it, and after this you can click on the border, and in here you can click on the flame, and now in here you can see the flame effect. You can choose the flame 1, flame 2, flame 3, flame 4, or flame 5, but in here I add a flame 2, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can set the flame effect, so you just click on this icon. You can adjust for the intensity like this, and after this you can click down in here and finish. So that's how to add a flames effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.